The name of the app we are using is Gemini AI. Gemini AI. That's the name of the app. Just search it on either Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store. So it's already installed in my phone. So if you search it, you show install, then you click install. So mine is already installed already. So you open it. So today I'll be talking about the AI Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana. How you can be able to use it to manipulate your image, to design, and a lot more. So today we'll be talking about how you can be able to use it to edit your picture, and also how you can use it to create a PSD test. Those are the only two things I will be talking about in this episode. And in our next episode, we talk more about it. So now, the way it works now, once you need to understand that the way it works with prompts, giving it a prompt, the right prompt, and it will eventually give you what you want. Because if you give it a wrong prompt, everything you are doing will just look somehow. You might not actually get the actual results you are looking for, because it's just like a computer. It's not a human. Now, first of all, we'll be doing a photo manipulation of a particular picture. Now, let's pick our image. You go to gallery if you already the image already saved in your phone, or you go to camera so you can snap the image. So let me use this picture for instance. Now I want to manipulate this picture. Now I want to change it to a wedding dress, and also adding the pastor to be in the picture. Now you give it a proper prompt. Now you say change the outfit of the above given image to a nice wedding dress. Then uh, you say the May wearing a red suit, then the female wearing a white gown, a white wedding gown. Then at the end, you will now put notes. The faces should remain the same, so that it will not change the faces. So now just give it some seconds and everything will be ready. As you can see, exactly as it was seen. So this is a PSD test. Now you say with the given above image, we create the text with, then you now put what you want to put. So let me put my name. So as you can see, exactly the design that is being wanted. Then let's try one more, another design. So this is another design. Then you copy the same prompt and paste it. So if you are in need of any prompt for any design, just drop a comment. So this is it. Very simple to do. It's very simple. In seconds, everything will be ready. So if you have learned something today and you find this helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also refer others that are interested, that you also want to learn also. And if you are interested in getting uh, prompts for any design you want to create, either for business, for content creation, whatever aspect. You need a prompt on how you can be able to design something. Even if you don't have a graphic design skill, you can be able to do it easily. Yes. So just drop a comment in the comment section, and I promise I'm going to send it to you. Thank you, and see you in the next video.